My favorite book. My favorite book is The Famous Five. It is a series of children's adventure novels written by English author Enid Blyton. There are 21 books in this series. The Famous Five are a group of children named Julian, Dick, and George, and their dog Timmy. During school holidays, when they all meet, they get caught up in adventures. I have read 10 books in this series. Every month my father buys me a book. I hope to collect all the books in the future. I love reading these stories. They are very interesting.